Hi you guys, and welcome back to Angie&Three. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my May Grove Collaborative haul, you guys. So when you order from Grove Collaborative, basically they pre-order for you. Like, they put things in your cart before to see like the things you ordered before or the things they think you might like. So you have to go through your cart to make sure that you want it, or if you don't, you can just like take it out your cart. And I did do that. So what I did, I always go through my cart, get the things that I do want, and then go back before they ship off my stuff to make sure that I have everything in there and I got everything that I got. But this month I did not do that. I did get some of the things, but I forgot like 2 items. So yeah, so anyway, so let's get right on into the video, you guys. One of the things I'm going to show you that I got is this Mrs. Meyer's dish soap in the scent Mint. My first time smelling and using this scent. I try to use different scents, but for some reason I like them all, to be honest. I really do like all the scents. So I love everything Mrs. Meyer's and Method. They haven't let me down yet, so that's good. Let me just take the sticker off right quick. Okay, so it looks like this, you guys. I'm gonna smell it. Okay, it's like a light mint scent. It's not strong at all. Kind of sad, you guys, that I didn't get this in a multi-purpose cleaner. Like I said, I didn't look at my cart before it got shipped. So next month I will have this in my cart, the multi-surface cleaner. But yes, you guys, this smells really clean, really fresh. I can smell a light hint of mint. It's not strong at all. But like I said, I always make sure that I have to use it first to make sure that what I'm saying is correct. But yeah, obviously, like, it's very light. It's like a light scent. Oh, that went up my nose. Ooh. But yeah, so that's the first thing I got. Next thing I got is the hand soap in mint. It looks like this. I always get it in a set, you guys, if it's my first time using the scent. Let me take the tape off. So I always get it in the set. So like I said, I forgot to get the multi-surface cleaner, but that would be in my next month's shipment. It looks like this. And let's see how this smells. It smells the same. Like, I don't know why I didn't order this first. I don't know, guys. Like, if it's strong, like a strong minty smell, I'm not gonna like it at all. But this smells really, really good. Like, really, really good. I think it's gonna become my new favorite, the scent wise. So the next thing I got is, if you already know, I got the Method all-purpose cleaner and the scent Pink Grapefruit. My favorite. Spring and summer, I'm gonna clean with this all the time. Like, my favorite. Smells so delicious. Let me tell you, Grove Collaborative gonna make sure nothing spills. Nothing spills, okay? My favorite, I love this. It smells like pink grapefruit. It smells so good. Next thing I ran out of is this Method anti-bac toilet cleaner. Antibacterial, you guys. Oh my gosh, you can't beat it. I got it in the scent Spearmint. Looks like this, you guys. Does the works. So good, and it's antibacterial, so you already know it's my favorite. Anything antibacterial is going to be my favorite. As you know, I mean, if you just keep watching my Grove Collaborative hauls, you would know this is also my favorite. The Mrs. Meyer's fabric softener in the scent Honeysuckle. I'm gonna keep ordering this. If you guys are tired of saying, I'm so sorry, but this is always gonna be in there because I run out like that when I wash my clothes. It smells so good. Like, oh, smells delicious. I love it. If you guys haven't used this, I recommend it. I recommend it. Like, highly recommend it. And yeah, so on to the next thing I got. I'm not gonna take the tape off on some of these because I already know how they smell. I already know how it looks. This is stuff that I always order. This is the Method anti-bac in the scent Bamboo. One of my favorites as well. It looks like this, you guys. Smells so good, so fresh, so clean. Love it. My favorite. Running out. I'm running out of everything right now, you guys. I ran out of dish soap. I ran out of this, of course, the fabric softener. I ran out of the toilet cleaner, and so my next growth collaborative is kind of gonna be big because I ran out of almost everything. And the last thing I got, which is for free, I got the what is this? The microfiber all-purpose cloth. I think it comes. Do you get? Let me see. So it looks like this before I open it. This is my first time using this. I always buy my fabric cloths from microfiber cloths from Walmart, but it looks like this. It looks weird. Hold up, sorry. I know you're like, what in the world? It looks like that. I'm trying to see if you get 2 in here. Okay, yeah, you do get 2 cloths. This is my first time using this one, so I will let you guys know if I like it or not. Like I said, I always buy my cloths from Walmart. You get 2 for $1. You can't beat that. But yeah, I got this for free. You know, if you're their VIP, if you're a VIP customer like I am, you get free items. Like, you get free things. So yeah, that is all, you guys, that I got from Growth Collaborative this month. I will leave my referral code down below, you guys, so you can get a 5-piece free gift set if this is your first order. So, you know, if you want something for free, you know, you can't pass that. So your first order, you're gonna get a 5-piece gift set. Okay, I'll leave my referral code down below so you guys can get that. And that would be all for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. I always do that, like, comment, subscribe, but comment down below. Let me know what's your favorite sis from Growth Collaborative. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys.